Okay, try natin yung steps ng gasolina. Okay, so ganito lang siya. Tingnan natin. Okay, ready? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, after nun is, paano ba yan? 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 1, 2, and then wave and chuck, 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 chuck. Okay? Tingnan natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Mali yata. Ano muna pala? Paano ba yun? Gaganon siya. Yan, okay. Yung afternoon, okay? So, try natin. 5, 6, i-lower ko konti. Yan. Para makita natin. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, and 2, and then wave, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Hindi ko alam siya paano bigyan. Pero gasoline. Parang, what's your step? You know, even though you're 50 years old, above, or 54, may pwede kang, excuse me, pwede kang maging healthy. It's because you are, making your life productive. Yung exercise and then dance, yan, um, ang tawag dito, regulate ng inyong blood pressure. Okay? So, walking, naglalakad na, and then dancing, and then yung exercise. Sa exercise naman, we have exercise like marching in place, 100 times, do it 100 times. Yan. Second step, para malesin ang fat, and I'm doing it. So, 1 week pa lang, and then touch your foot like this. Alternately, yan, for 100 times also. And then, after that, the third is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's for 100 times. And then the last one is yung, parang you're gonna plank 1, 2, 3, and 400 times din. Yon. Tapos dagdaganan nyo na lang siya every day ng isa pang mga routines to make you healthy. Exercise also is necessary in our body as we go aging. Aside from balanced diet and then positivity, yung outlook in life mo is kailangan you have to, ikaw din naman na makakapag maintain ng iyong weight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, and 2,